This week's theme is learning about the brain. It is important to study the brain so that we will be able to know how to improve on our studying. The brain is very important. It controls everything that we do, mula sa pagbabasa hanggang sa paglakad at kung ano-ano pang ginagawa natin. Ang brain ang responsible para sa lahat ng yun. Kaya mga bata, sama-sama tayong mag-aral, sama-sama tayong masayang gumawa ng homework.
This week's theme: learning about the brain. Today's topic: learning about how the brain works. Today's guest: JC Gleiser P. Abuluyan.
Kids, this week's theme is learning about the brain. Naalala niyo ba kung ano ang pinag-usapan natin nung isang araw? Ang ating pinag-usapan ay tungkol sa brain, tama, and how amazing it is. At gumawa pa nga tayo ng poster, di ba? Anong nababasa natin sa poster na to? Ang sabi ay, my amazing brain. Is your brain amazing? Yun ang pag-usapan natin. Hi, JC!
Hello.
O JC, ready ka na ba sa lesson natin sa araw na to?
Opo.
Opo. Our lesson is about the brain. Di ba, JC?
Opo.
Oh, what is our lesson all about?
Brain.
The brain. Marami ka na bang alam tungkol sa brain?
Opo.
Opo. Pero, bago tayo mag-aral tungkol sa lesson natin, meron muna akong papaulit sa'yo. Okay? This is the brain. Yan. Ano ang tawag natin dito?
Brain po.
Brain. Sabihin mo nga, my brain is amazing.
My brain is amazing.
Ulitin natin, mas malakas pa.
My brain is amazing.
Very good. My brain is amazing. JC, yung bang brain mo, alam mo kung paano ito naging amazing?
Opo.
Opo, tama. Paano ba amazing yung brain mo? Ano nagagawa mo sa school?
Walk po.
Nagwo-walk, tama. Pag naglalakad, gamit yung brain. Ano pa?
Right po.
Right, tama. Nagsusulat. Ano pang ginagawa mo? Isa pa. Ano?
Read.
Magbabasa, tama. You can walk, read, and write because of your
Brain.
brain. Kaya ulitin natin yon. Let's say, my brain is amazing.
My brain is amazing.
Very good. Can we also say, my brain helps me do many things?
My brain helps me do many things.
Tama. Very good. Ano nga yung first sentence na pinaulit ko sa'yo?
My brain is amazing.
Very good. And the second sentence? My brain
helps.
O, ulitin ko ha. Ako muna. Repeat after me. My brain helps me do many things. Your turn.
My brain helps me do many things.
Very good. Alam mo ba, JC, na yan ang pag-uusapan natin mamaya. What we did is a study strategy I call repeat. What kind of study strategy? Repeat. Ulitin mo nga.
Repeat.
Very good. What kind of study strategy?
Repeat.
Repeat. Very good. O, JC, tandaan mo ha, yan ang gagawin natin mamaya. At marami pa tayong pag-uusapan tungkol sa brain. Okay?
Opo.
Okay. O, may puzzle ako dyan. Gawin mo muna tong puzzle na yan. Kids, today we will learn about a study strategy called repeat. Ito ay yung inuulit natin ang sinasabi ng teacher kasi yung pinapaulit niya, mga mahalagang concepts yun. Mamaya pag-aaralan pa natin yan.
On your way to success? Start with the best. New Era University, where we guide every individual to their natural state of excellence. Enroll now Because New Era University awaits the future we can build together.
Objectives of the episode. At the end of the episode, you will be able to explain how the brain works using its different parts. You will also learn about a study strategy called repeat.
Our brain is amazing. Dahil sa ating brain, marami tayong nagagawa. At yan ang pag-uusapan pa natin sa araw na ito. Pag-uusapan din natin kung paano ba tayo tinutulungan ng ating brain. JC, tapos ka na? Hindi ka pa tapos. Tapusin na lang natin po. Ano ang pinag-uusapan natin, JC?
Brain po.
The brain. Ano nga yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina, yung first sentence na dapat mong sabihin?
My brain is amazing.
Very good. What's amazing? What's amazing? My
brain.
brain. Your brain is amazing. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng salitang amazing? Amazing ay, magaling ba yun o hindi magaling?
Ang galing po.
Magaling. JC, magaling yung brain mo. Bakit magaling ang brain? Kasi po, ang brain ay, anong nagagawa? Anong nagagawa ng brain mo? Maraming bagay, di ba?
Apo.
Tulad ng, ano yung sabi mo sa akin kanina?
Walk.
Walk, very good. What else?
Right.
And? One more.
Read.
And read, very good. So, let's say it again. Dapat yung malakas, tsaka yung masayang-masaya ka sa pagsabi. Sabihin natin, my brain is amazing.
My brain is amazing.
Very good. Kanina may tanong ka sa akin na, ano nga yung tanong mo para sa akin?
Paano po tinutulungan ng brain ko?
Paano ka tinutulungan ng brain mo? That's a good question, JC. That's right. Tabi muna natin to. Okay. Pero bago yon, JC, meron akong sasabihin sa'yo. Meron kasi akong strategy na palagay ko makakatulong talaga ito para sa'yo. Okay? Ang tawag doon sa strategy na yon ay repeat. Ano nga ulit?
Repeat.
Repeat. Sa sulat ko ha. Repeat. R-E-P-E-A-T. Repeat. What does it say?
Repeat.
Repeat. Alam mo ba kung ano ang repeat in Filipino? Okay lang po kung hindi. Tanungin mo na lang ako. Ate Sally.
Ate Sally.
Ano po?
Ano po sa Filipino ang repeat?
Ano ang repeat? Uulitin. Okay? Ulitin. Yun ang repeat. So, it's a good study strategy. Ang repeat ay isang study strategy kung saan matatandaan natin kung ano-ano yung mga dapat nating aralin sa school. Okay?
Opo.
Ibig sabihin lang ng repeat, ulitin. Ano nga yung repeat?
Ulitin.
Ulitin. Ano nga yung tanong mo sa akin ulit kanina? Paano po
Paano po
ako tinutulungan
ng brain ko?
Paano ka tinutulungan? Meron na akong hinanda dito, JC. Meron ako ditong mga sentences na tungkol sa brain. Facts about the brain. Babasahin natin, pagkatapos, uulitin mo lang. Okay?
Okay po.
Okay. Anong tawag dito sa study strategy na to?
Repeat.
Repeat. Ibig sabihin ng repeat ay
Ulitin.
ulitin. Very good. Ngayon, itong mga sentences na to, ito naman ang pag-aaralan natin. Babasahin natin yung bawat sentence at uulitin mo. Okay? Ready ka na? Sige, dyan mo muna yan. Sandali lang, JC ha. Ayusin ko lang muna to. Kids, we just learned about a study strategy. It's called repeat. Ibig sabihin, ulitin. Mamaya, pag-uusapan namin ni JC yung sagot sa tanong niya. Paano ba tinutulungan ng brain tayo para tayo ay matuto? At magbabasa kami ng sentences.
When a story starts with faith, it can only grow further and stronger. As time passes by, we learn about your story. In an institution of exceptional healthcare, with genuine Christian compassion, we care about you. With a safe, secured, and sanitized environment, accompanied by a team of trusted healthcare professionals, we're built this way to serve you better. By providing affordable health services to general population, we want what's best for you. Because at New Era General Hospital, everyone matters.
We are now open for business.
Open for business with Cesar Vallejos every Sunday, 9 p.m.
Sunday 25.
Pop quiz! What part of your body is just like a computer? Answer: the brain.
Kids, today I'm with JC and we are learning about the brain. Meron din kaming pinag-usapan kanina na study strategy. Ang tawag doon ay repeat. R-E-P-E-A-T. Repeat. Ibig sabihin nito ay ulitin. Yan ang ginagawa natin para tayo ay matandaan natin kung ano-ano ang mga important lessons natin sa school. O JC, are you ready?
Opo.
Ano nga yung tanong mo sa akin kanina? Paano ako?
Ano ako tutulungan na ang brain ko?
Paano ka tinutulungan ng brain mo? Tama. Bago natin sagutin yan, mag-aral muna tayo ng iba't ibang facts tungkol sa brain. Okay?
Opo.
We will learn about facts about the brain. What will we learn about?
Brain.
The brain and facts about the brain. Pero bago yon, sabihin muna natin yung gusto nating sabihin natin sa brain natin. My brain is amazing.
My brain is amazing.
Very good. My brain helps me do many things.
My brain helps me do many things.
Very good. And then we will talk about this word. Ano to?
Repeat.
Repeat. Ibig sabihin ng repeat ay
Ulitin.
ulitin. Sige nga ha, babasahin natin yung mga facts. We will read sentences about the brain. And then after that, you will, what will you do?
Repeat.
Repeat. Sa paraang yon, matatandaan ng brain mo kung ano-ano yung mga pinag-aaralan natin. Okay. First, ito, alam mo na to eh. Let's read.
My brain is amazing.
Very good. My brain is amazing. What is amazing, JC?
My brain.
Your brain is amazing.
The brain keeps on growing.
The brain keeps on growing. Ibig sabihin nun, ang brain natin ay lumiliit o lumalaki?
Lumalaki po.
Lumalaki. Habang tumatanda tayo, lumalaki ang brain. Habang tumatanda tayo, kaunti na lang ba yung natututunan natin o mas marami?
Mas marami.
Mas marami tayong matututunan kung anong gagawin sa school. Hindi mag-aaral o mag-aaral?
Mag-aaral po.
Mag-aaral. O let's repeat. The brain keeps on growing. Your turn.
The brain keeps on growing.
Very good. Next. Ako muna. The brain is protected by a skull. Your turn.
The brain is protected by a skull.
What protects the brain?
Skull.
The skull. Can you point to your skull? Where's your skull? Where's your skull? There's your skull. Ramdaman mo nga yung, pakiramdaman mo nga yung skull mo. Is your skull hard or soft? It's
Hard.
hard. It's hard. Matigas o malambot?
Matigas.
Matigas. Very good. The brain is protected by a skull? Repeat.
The brain is protected by a skull.
The brain is protected by a skull. What's the first sentence? The brain.
The brain keeps on growing.
Repeat. The brain keeps on growing. Second sentence.
The brain is protected by a skull.
Very good. And then, last sentence, okay? Let's do one more sentence. Mamaya naman yung susunod. The brain gets information from the 5 senses.
The brain gets information from the 5 sentences.
Senses.
Senses.
Ulit natin. The brain gets information from the 5 senses.
The brain gets information from the 5 senses.
Appear. Very good. Ready ka pa ba? Yung next naman na batch ng sentences, mamaya natin pag-usapan, okay?
Okay po.
And today, we are learning about a study strategy called
Repeat.
repeat. Very good. Kids, kayo rin, kapag kayo ay nag-aaral, dapat tandaan kung ano-ano yung mga sentences na dapat ninyong pag-aralan, yung mga importante. Pagkatapos, gawin ninyo ang study strategy na ito. Ang tawag dito ay repeat.
Well, I'm Ate Sherry Lynn.
I'm your Tito Efren!
And I'm your Tita Cynthia.
I'm your Chef Mads.
Na nag-iimbita sa inyo tuwing Sabado at Linggo na laging subaybayan ang Ito ang Tahanan mula alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga dito lang sa Net 25. Meron din kaming Facebook page at YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe! Ito ang Tahanan!
Let's get together. Sa Net 25. Sa Net 25.
Ang bawat pagkain siguradong may kwento, lalo na ang mga ipinamana pa at inabot na ng dekada-dekada. Namnamin ang lasa ng mga pagkaing may nakabubusog na kwento. Isa-serve na ang Savoring Stories sa LTE. Love, Tony Pet, and everything. Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. sa Net 25.
JC, are you still ready?
Apo.
What are we talking about?
The brain.
And what study strategy are we talking about?
Repeat.
Ibig sabihin ng repeat ay
Ulitin.
ulitin. Kanina, tinanong mo ko, sabi mo sa akin, ate, paano ako tinutulungan ng brain ko? Okay? At para masagot ko yung tanong na yon, tayo ay nag-aaral tungkol sa mga facts about the brain.
Brain.
Very good. And a while ago, you already read some sentences. What's the first sentence?
My brain is amazing.
Very good. And then, what's the second sentence? Second sentence?
The brain keeps on growing.
The brain keeps on growing. Third sentence?
The brain is protected by a skull.
Very good. And fourth sentence? Then we will talk about the fourth sentence, okay?
Okay.
Okay, isin muna natin. Okay, your turn.
The brain gets information from the 5 senses.
The brain gets information from the 5 senses. Very good. Oh, JC, alam mo ba kung ano-ano yung 5 senses? Hindi. Reviewin natin. Okay po ba yun?
Apo.
Sige po. We have 5 senses. Because of the 5 senses, the brain is able to get information. The first sense is the sense of what do we use the eyes for? For seeing, hearing, or tasting?
Seeing.
Very good. So the first sense is the sense of sight. Okay? And then, what do we use the nose for?
Smelling.
Smelling. So the second sense is the sense of smell. And then, what do we use the ears for? Bigyan kita ng options. Tasting or hearing?
Hearing.
Hearing. So, the sense, ito pa, yung third sense. And then, what do we use the tongue for?
Taste.
Tasting. Very good. So, ang next na sense ay sense of taste. And lastly, what do we use our skin for? For touching or seeing?
Touching.
Touching. The last sense is a sense of touch. Okay? Dahil sa 5 senses na to, marami tayong natututunan. Halimbawa, pag nagluto si mommy mo sa kusina, malalaman mo kung anong niluluto niya kasi anong ginagamit mo? Yung bang eyes, yung nose, o yung ears?
Nose.
Yung nose kasi, anong magagawa mo?
Smelling.
Smelling, maaamoy mo yung niluluto ni mommy. So let's repeat. The brain gets information from the 5 senses. Your turn.
The brain gets information from the 5 senses.
Very good. And then, okay, let's have 2 more sentences. Dalawa na lang, last 2. I will read and then you will repeat. The brain is more powerful than a computer. Your turn.
The brain is more powerful than a computer.
Very good. What is more powerful than a computer?
Brain.
The brain. Very good. Yung computer, maraming nagagawa. Pero mas maraming nagagawa ang ating brain. Last sentence. Okay? Last sentence. My brain, ito yung kanina sinabi natin. My brain helps me do many things.
My brain helps me do many things.
What helps you do many things?
The brain.
The brain. Because the brain is amazing or not?
Amazing.
Amazing. What is amazing, JC? The
brain.
Can we just say again? My brain is amazing.
My brain is amazing.
Good job, JC. Marami ka bang natutunan sa araw na to?
Apo.
Opo. Ang last na papagawa ko sa'yo ay ito. Okay po? Pwede mong kulayan yung brain. Hey! So kids, today we just learned about many facts about the brain. The brain helps us do many things. O mga bata, tandaan yung lahat yun kasi sa susunod na mga araw, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay kung paano ito makakatulong sa iba't ibang mga gawain natin. Tulad ng ating pag-aaral, yun ang ating pag-uusapan. Kids, kung meron kayong questions o suggestions na gusto nyong ipadala sa amin o kaya homework na gusto nyong tulungan namin kayo, send us a message on our Facebook page. That's www.facebook.com/net25kids. Like and share nyo na rin ang Facebook page namin and then follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Just look for Net25Kids. At pwede rin kayong magpadala ng email sa amin sa net25kids@gmail.com. Sama-sama tayong mag-aral, sama-sama tayong masayang gumawa ng homework!